try to seek the high ground.
The search for potential survivors is going on.
Fires quickly spreading earlier this month, leading that those three sisters were killed in a landslide.
Through team management and leadership program, we are in mastery of creating team and teamwork and really allowing leaders to show up. We made a few calls, enrolled a few leaders, and then we got partnership from Fullerton Police Department, Fullerton Cities and fire stations, Huntington Beach City and police departments as well. And so with that, within 24 to 48 hours, was it like a short of a miracle that we had drop-off points, we had a campaign running, and then we had everybody literally playing the game.
Led by communication course leader Julie Hall, launching landmark graduates from all programs into action. Team Houston took on the structures for fulfillment, using the technology for accomplishment to put a communication platform in place. This team and platform put 90 volunteers into action, delivered 19 pallets of donated supplies from Team Orange County, Las Vegas, and 2 additional semi-trucks of supplies, 350 boxes of clothes, 150 boxes of new children's school uniforms, 30,000 moving boxes, 12 shelters served with supplies and volunteers, over 1,000 people fed, and over 24 houses cleaned out. And it's not over. We're creating a future with a collaboration platform and software that can be used in any disaster.
I looked outside, I had a little RV, and I wanted to pack it full as many times as I could and drive the donations up and give my service. I used social media to generate what was needed. I called my aunt and I told her what was happening. I enrolled her in anything that she could do to help. Her passion, she called 100 veterinarian clinics and asked them all to donate, and they're still donating today. Requests to people I didn't even know to be drop zones for donations. 98% of the people that donated and were there volunteering with me were total strangers. The true commitment is what's underneath it all. It's love.
Supplies are not being distributed to people in Puerto Rico that need them. Water is contaminated and people are dying. I'm working with Muntaj Devji, CEO of the Taj Mahal Foundation. She was able to secure a $40,000 donation of 300 water filtration systems that generate 1 gallon of water an hour. Filters last 18 months, and this can save lives. My request is if someone can take on transportation from India to Miami free of charge.
I'm so excited. It's my 6th birthday, and I got a record player and records from my dad. I love dancing around my living room, listening to Stop in the Name of Love. I've recently been invited to collaborate with Here's to Life and their celebrity ambassadors, the Supremes. And I'm still excited and I'm still dancing. Stop in the Name of Love campaign is a simple dance challenge that brings awareness to an initiative for a global suicide prevention hotline. Choreographers created steps for the chorus, taught it to others who then went on to capture videos. Stop, take the challenge, sign the petition for a global hotline. Being a co-leader of Team and Beyond for the last 6 years, I have the privilege of empowering you to expand your stand and create videos. What game are you playing?
Can I move the world? Can I touch the sky?
It's heartbreaking to see all the floods and fires across Australia, people fleeing their homes and losing everything they've worked for. Let's bring new possibility and innovation to rebuilding communities that can make all the difference right now. Play with Clay brings people an easy tool to building infrastructure for themselves, a sustainable, cost-effective construction method to build roads using claycrete. All we're going to do now, we're going to add 8 litres of claycrete to 1,000 litres of water, and then we're going to spray it on the ground, probably spray it 2 or 3 times, and then we'll mix it in and we'll get it to optimum, which is when you hold your dirt. You look at this little ball here, it's just as hard as a brick. Community leaders, innovators and construction professionals have brought these tools to others in 3 events in 2 states in Australia. Through the Team Management and Leadership Program, I've discovered the power of team and teamwork, creating ease and fun. Now it's time to take action on climate change. Have fun creating sustainable infrastructure for future generations.
I'm rocking out on stage in my first band. At 13, I finally feel like I found myself. Today, I'm playing and releasing music, but I can't seem to make a good living from it. I decided to make a difference to how people perceive and value music and how musicians earn income. Trebuchet is a service that allows people to revisit the excitement of live concerts. We provide the technology and support so artists can sell a recording of their live show direct to the audience. In the Team Management and Leadership Program, I no longer saw myself as an outsider. I got that I could take action to connect and inspire others to change the music industry for the better. There's no need to be an outsider anymore. Up-and-coming musicians can now make a decent living from their passion. Download the app and start collecting live shows today.
Incredible. Incredible.